In 2025, digital templates powered by AI are one of the fastest growing online businesses, and you can start with zero coding or design skills. In this video, I'll show you how people are earning $10,000 per month selling AI-powered Notion systems, ChatGPT prompt packs, and workflow templates. You'll learn where to sell them, how to find profitable niches, and how to build your first product step by step using free tools. I'll also share the secret behind product positioning, how to make your templates look premium and attract buyers instantly. Whether you're a creator, freelancer, or student, this business model is simple, scalable, and fully automated. By the end, you'll have everything you need to start your own AI template store and turn automation into income.